Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a simple vowel checker in Java. So what that is like basically it will like tell how many vowels there are in like a sentence or a phrase or whatever, and it'll tell you how many like vowels are in each like word or sentence or phrase or whatever you type. So yeah, I'll tell you how many of each there are. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's get started. So before like starting this lesson, I already put this import Java thing here and I already fixed this here. So I already like fixed this position. So like what you guys want to do is like probably like pause the video and arrange this. So like it's exactly like my screen, but yeah, if you're already ready, then let's go. So first we will type scanner sc equals new, okay, new scanner system dot in. Okay, I think that should be it. And yeah, that's it. So here next we'll skip one and type system dot out dot println vowel counter, and we'll put a semicolon here and we'll go to the next part. System dot out dot println, and we'll put these here. Then we'll type enter a sentence. This is the area where like it will ask the input of sentence, phrase, word, etc. Okay, now let's type string input equals sc dot next line, and then we'll do dot to lower case. Okay, we'll do this. Wait, I did this wrong. I'll just fix this here and fix this. Okay. So what this does is like basically like all uppercase will turn it to lowercase because when it's counting the vowels, it'll count the lowercase vowels. So the uppercase vowels draw like code is very picky. So like if you like put uppercase and it only like does lowercase, well, it'll cause an error. So yeah, this code basically just like turns your input all into lowercase for it to read. So yeah, basically that's what it does. And then yeah, I can tell you how many vowels there are. But yeah, your input won't get changed, so don't worry about that. Okay, then here we'll do int a equals 0, e equals 0, and keep doing this for all the vowels. So I'll just do that. So just give me a moment. And okay, I'm done doing that. I'll put a semicolon here. And yeah, you just do all this and you move on to the next part. For char C, and then we'll put a colon here. Input dot to char. Alright. Excuse me, guys. Yes, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, we just do this and put that there. We put this here. No, I made a mistake. Yeah. We put this here. And then we'll do switch. Switch C here. Then we'll put this here and put a space. Now here we'll move the case to the letter C. So we'll do case A. And then let's put this here. And we'll do A plus plus with a semicolon. Now let's put spaces for E, I, O, and U too. Okay. What we want to do is just like switch the vowels each time. So we'll put this as E. It changes to E. And yeah, you just want to do it for all of them. So give me a moment to do that. Pause the video if you need to change these. So I'll just do this real quick. And okay, I'm done. So yeah, we do that. And yeah, these two are here. We'll skip down. And for line 24, we just type system dot out dot println. And this is the part where it gets a little tricky. But yeah, I'm sure we can manage it. Let's do a colon space plus a plus, and then let's copy this, paste this here, change this to E plus E, and we'll keep doing this for all of them, okay? So just give me a moment to do that. Pause the video if you need like some time to do this. So yeah, I'll just do it. And there, I'm done with that. So now I put this here, and there we go. That's the end of the code. So all we do is select all, like by holding left click and selecting all, or do Control A, and then do right click, run as one Java application, and here. So let's enter a sentence, phrase, word, etc. So let's type this is a sentence. Okay. So this is a bit glitchy, so let me just go ahead and like change that up a little. So like all we do is just put a space here. I forgot to do that. Because if you don't put a space, it'll like look confusing. It's still readable, but It is a bit confusing, so for convenience, I'm gonna change that. And let's type this again. Let's just like put a space behind each letter too. Okay, we'll retry this. Okay, yes. It's way more readable. Okay, so let's retry this again. Let's type this is a sentence. I already did this like test before, so yeah, this should be A1, E3, I2. Yeah, I did right. Let's try this again. Let's type 5 E's, for example. And yeah, it just shows 5 E's. Now, like, you can type a random sentence like, I don't know, I like coding Java. Okay, so it just tells us how many vowels are in the sentence here. So yeah, that is basically all this code does. And yeah, we're just gonna close this and yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson about vowel counters in Java. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell button to receive notifications from my latest videos about a bunch of different stuff like coding, math, and a bunch of random stuff I post. So thank you guys again for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. And have a great day.